Hey guys, I thought I'd just come on and share with you a little trick that I use with my topper. This is the upgrade Courtney topper. She's a new one. I've just received her in the Chinese hair, so I'm giving that a bit of a trial, and so far so good. She's been really good in the hot, humid weather, and being that monofilament top, she's nice and light and breathable too. Loving this color, the dusty ash brown as well. But what I wanted to show you today was an alternative for attaching the topper with these, instead of using these front two clips. So what I use, one of these. So it comes joined together. I've cut it in half. These are called hair grippers, but I just use it on these front two clips that just clip into an area that I have new hair growing back. I have a bit of traction alopecia from wearing my hair back in a ponytail for many years, and it's just weakened the hairs here, and I had sort of bald patches here. So my hair is growing back. I've got little baby hairs and I want to protect it. So instead of using the clips in that vulnerable spot, I pop in these little Velcros and they attach to the hair. So I'm just popping it into the clip, closing the clip, and this will be used in my hair instead of the pressure sensitive clips. So I'll just show you how I pop it on. So holding it at those front two grippers and lining up the topper part with the part of my hair. Now I want to have a little bit of my bio hair coming forward for blending, and then making sure it's not too far back or too far forward. And it doesn't hurt. I have a very sensitive scalp, but you'll feel it sort of prickling a little bit as it's gripping onto the hair. So you don't have to push too hard, but it will just move in with the hair. And then you attach, open them, scoop a bit of hair and snap them closed. And then you're just going to integrate your bio hair in with the topper hair. I love the seamless blend with the Courtney. She sits nice and flat, and even with those Velcro additions, she's still sitting nice and flat. Now, if you need a little bit of hair fiber at the front there, I just use the UniWigs hair fibers. You can add those in, and that just helps with the blend. Scooping out and positioning. So I hope that's helped. It's just another alternative to the clips.